The first etiquette I need to learn is the etiquette with whom? I want you to answer me. With Allah. And that's the first thing in the surah, the first verse. First verse, يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقدموا بين يدي الله. Don't move forward before Allah. Move forward? Can I move forward before Allah? Yes or no? Physically, I can't. Reality, yes or no? And how is that? You know when you come and Allah says, do this, anything, and you say, why? I'm not convinced. And I tell you, Allah said so, you say, I'm not convinced. قدمت بين يدي الله. You moved in front of Allah. Are you arguing with Allah? You're arguing with the Creator? Now you're going to say, but I don't do it. And I say, don't answer. As you go through your day, ask yourself this. Did I answer in a way different than what Allah said in the Quran? Then I am. قدمت على الله. And so the first etiquette is with Allah. Do not, and the la also for you, especially those who know Arabic, when you say no in English or nay is very different from the la in the Quran. There's two kinds of la in the Quran, don't. One means don't do it, which means order, which means obligation to follow. And if you don't do it, you're disobeying Allah. The other one means it's not going to happen or it didn't happen. This one is don't do. If I do it, I'm disobeying Allah. الأمر في القرآن يفيد الوجوب. The order, when you study science of the Quran, they teach you this. The order in the Quran means it's an obligation, unless there is associated with something telling you different. Number one, etiquette with Allah. What does it mean? Do not say or do something Allah said don't say or don't do. Period.